and those two windows face directly to the east. The window that this guy's on my left side, is the ones that receive, for example, the first rays of the Father Sun during the June 21st that comes from the east. And then, guys, the another window that is on my, right side is the one, guys, that it was in order to measure the summer, summer solstice. That's why we have, guys, called as the sun gate, because the sunrise comes through that, plate that way, as you can see in this picture, guys. The picture that Vincent is showing. Here the Incas using guys a special wooden instrument in order, guys, to save the place, because remember, it has 80% of originality. 8 parts of the city that collapsed down, it worked, is straw, and then bamboo. And then that they put it on the top. You can see, guys, how they did it.